Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SGT token by Suzuverse. Ticker symbol is SGT. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token. So this token is being listed April 3rd, 8 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with a USDT, go into the trade section, search ticker symbol SGT, and then simply just buy the token. So this token is from Suzuverse, and you can find their Twitter at Suzu_Suzuverse. And they have 38,300 Twitter followers. It says they are from Singapore. They are game developers, it says. It says, we are building a decentralized metaverse to connect everyone digitally. They have a link to their official webpage on here, Suzuverse.com. Their latest tweet here from April 1st, it says, we are thrilled to announce that our governance token, SGT, will be officially listed on Mexc. You can track the data of SGT and all the information related to the Suzuverse project on Mexc's platform. And you can read more about it in a news article that they have posted on their Twitter here. It says, announcement of listing of SGT token on Mexc. It says founded in, this just goes over how, Mexc Global was founded back in 2018, and it goes over their platform. But if you want to learn about the Suzuverse token, that is on here as well. So they have their webpage, Suzuverse.com. They have information here. It says, all right, that is not what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for is their webpage here. It says what we do, and they have something called the Suzu Walk. They have news articles. You can change the language on their webpage: Japanese, Spanish, English, Chinese, all sorts of different languages there, Indonesian. Shaping the future of freedom. It says, we are building a decentralized metaverse to connect everyone digitally. They have AR technologies, digital assets, gaming, and much more. So the road to digital freedom. It says 15 years ago, we started as an internet business with the hope and passion of bringing the world closer together and getting people richer. 15 years forward, we tell people on the internet that we are becoming Web3 decentralized internet blockchain. Digital assets and metaverse are just the means to an end. Creativity, curiosity, imagination, freedom, and transparency are far more valuable traits. Now, you can tell this is definitely translated. There is some, it said it's from Singapore, so it's definitely translated from their language, and there's a few grammatical errors in here, but you can definitely still tell what they're talking about. So Suzuverse will provide an extraordinary virtual reality technology experience to help you unlock the fullest potential of VR worlds and the metaverse. In the early phase of development, we are building multiple GameFi platforms, which will be brand new gateways to access our Suzuverse. And you can read the founder's story here. That's what I accidentally clicked on, and it was talking just about the the founder of this project, but we don't need to go over that. It says, what we do, endlessness to create your own virtual world. Suzuverse provides the tools you need to create your items, learn, play, and earn. So they have the Suzu Walk, is what I mentioned earlier, and they show you kind of like what the app looks like. It's kind of looks kind of like the Stepin app at a first glance. It says Suzu Walk is a 100% metaverse-ready platform, which connects both virtual reality and real universe, creating a truly immersive, authentic experience, providing a growth experience limited only by the imagination. The dogs of Suzu Walk are the guides in the new universe filled with adventures, mysteries, and surprises unseen in our current reality. So it kind of looks like a Stepin app, but with dogs. That's what the app looks like anyways, like you're walking dogs. But it also looks like a game where you could put like fashion accessories on your dog. So the opportunity, the booming of virtual reality, according to research, and it goes over how much, 21.83 billion USD in 2021, and they're looking at a 15% growth rate up until 2030. So then it says metaverse means the digital living space, and it goes over what metaverse is on their webpage. We don't need to go over that. So with the app, you can play, move, and socialize. Users can play some games, entertain, move, socialize with friends, and network through truly immersive virtual reality worlds. So it's got augmented reality as well, AR, on the app. And then it goes over who we are, and then it has frequently asked questions. So if you want to learn how to use the app, about their digital assets, let's click on digital assets and see what it says here. So that takes us over to, you can enter an email address. I'm not going to do that. Then there's news articles. So some of the news articles are the announcement on Mexc Global, talking about maintenance of the app. They have their own marketplace. And yeah, so you can check out team information on their page, company info, company news, our story, their support help, Suzu Walk section, all sorts of different things on here. And besides that, they have, if you click on Suzu Walk, it'll take you right over to download the app from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store. And then their marketplace is available where you could check out NFTs, I'm sure. You can move, play, earn, and socialize. Goes over that. They goes over discovered 100,000 breeds of dogs, all with unique traits. And then they have these 6 main original breeds. And they show you how to walk with the GPS tracking on their app there. And you can earn token rewards, in-game tasks you can complete. And it's got multi-sig security, hybrid system architecture, clean and economical. Then their roadmap is on here as well. Talks about like bug fixing, soft launch, phase 1, Suzu game universe development, community events, white paper, all that type of stuff is on their roadmap and things like that. So you can check this out on their webpage, suzuwalk.io, and you can find this token newly listed tomorrow on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about the SGT token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.